Hi, Greg Hasimus here. Just want to give you a quick update on the market. So it is approaching Labor Day 2019. The summer's winding down. We're heading into the fall season. And I just want to kind of recap where we stand from the summer. Now, we did have some very big news over the summer. The Fed, for the first time in over 10 years, had dropped the interest rate. Now, even if you look a week ahead of that announcement, Wells Fargo, for example, on a 30-year fixed was at 3.5%. Now that is a great number. That's a number that we haven't seen in quite some time. Granted, today we're still at that number. It's still 3.5% on a 30-year fix, and it's still a great number. It hasn't dropped since they moved it, but I think they had it priced in ahead of the announcement anyway. Now, what does this mean as far as affordability? Say if you were looking at that same product a year ago in fourth quarter of 2018, it would have been almost 4.9% on a 30-year fixed jumbo. Now, to give you some, just run you through some of the numbers on this. Now, if you bought something for $1 million, financed 80%, and between that spread, that would be a $650 a month difference in your payments. That's a pretty big spread. So there is some real opportunity in the market from that perspective. And I wanted to bring up one other metric that's a little difficult to look up for most buyers. So I'll show you this little chart here. This is the discount to listing price. Now, the metric, the chart I'm going to show is just for Manhattan across the board. I could specify prices, condos, co-ops, neighborhoods. I could break it down for anything you want. Just let me know what you're looking for. I'm happy to shoot that over to you. But this is a generic across the board. Now, if you look at discount to listing price for Manhattan, the last one I could look at shows 7.1%. That also is a pretty big spread. That also is a number that I haven't seen in quite some time. Now, my chart doesn't go back to 2009, where we would see even higher than that, but it does go back to 2015 to put this into perspective. And in 2015, it shows 1.1% discount to listing price. So this just shows there's some opportunity in the markets for you. So if you're on the fence, maybe you were looking at this a couple of years ago saying the prices are getting a little high, the rates are getting a little high, I'm not sure I'm into this. This might be a time to revisit it. So if you have any questions about this, you have any neighborhoods you're looking at, shoot me an email, text, call, whatever. I'm happy to shoot those over to you. And if you own something and you're just curious about what the property value might be on that, let me know as well. Happy to send over some numbers for your property. They might not, like I said, the 7.1 is across the board. I can give you more details about your specific market. So we're going to be shooting out some, putting out some new videos soon. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, anyone that you know is looking for something, feel free to send them my way. I look forward to talking to you soon.